A step-by-step guide to inspecting a used car like a pro. When receiving a used car, it's important to thoroughly inspect the vehicle to ensure that it's in good condition and to avoid any potential issues down the line. Here are some key areas to check. First, exterior. Check for any dents, scratches, rust, or damage to the body of the car. Make sure the paint is uniform and there are no signs of previous repairs or accidents. Second, tires. Make sure the tires are in good condition and have adequate tread. Check for any cuts, cracks, or uneven wear. Third, engine and transmission. Start the engine and listen for any unusual noises or vibrations. Check the transmission fluid and make sure it's at the proper level. 4. Brakes. Check the brake pads and rotors for wear and make sure the brakes are working properly. 5th, suspension and steering. Test the suspension and steering for any issues, such as uneven tire wear or unusual noises. 6th, interior. Check the interior for any damage or wear, including the upholstery, carpet, and dashboard. Make sure all the electrical systems, such as the radio and air conditioning, are functioning properly. 7th, lights. Check all the lights on the car, including the headlights, tail lights, turn signals, and brake lights, to make sure they are working properly. 8th, documentation. Make sure the vehicle has all its necessary documentation, including the title, registration, and maintenance records. By thoroughly inspecting the used car before accepting it, you can ensure that it's in good condition and avoid any potential problems in the future.